Now, today, I'm going to show you guys how to replace a drain water pump and one of these GE washers. Now, I would put the crazy model number there out, but it is the same for quite a few different washers. So, you can see I already got some tools here. I'm going to show you what tools you need, and I've already put my new one in. So it's going to be kind of a skimp replacement. I'm not going to actually show you guys how I took it out because I already got my old one out, and I'm going to show you guys right here. And you can see how I conveniently have not installed a filter, but a lot of people are going to need a filter on their cold water line. I haven't done that yet, but you can see right here, spattered in rust. This is my old drain pump, which when the washer is on the draining cycle, this is what, pumps the water out into your little magical pipe in the wall that goes in the ground and whatnot. It's heavy. And I noticed when I got the new one, it's not this heavy. This one is full of stuff, and you can see all the rust and crap here. I obviously have a cold water problem, which I didn't know, because my cold water in my house is not rusty in any shape or form anywhere. So anyway, I'll show you guys how to do this quick and easy here. I use the 3/8 ratchet with a 3/8 socket for the water pump bolts. All right, and you're gonna need one of them there putty knives with the flat. I mean, you might be able to do this with a flathead screwdriver, but easiest to do with a putty knife. Now, I know you noticed mine's all nice and whatnot, like I bought it just for this, but I didn't. See, I did one of those. My dog chewed a hole in the wall, and I bought a putty knife and puttied the hole in the wall there and scraped it all up and everything. And then I forgot that I already bought a putty knife, so I went out and bought another putty knife. So what a thing, but it's not a putty knife now. It is a washing machine disassembly tool. I'll show you guys where this comes in shape in a second here. Pew, 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 pew. I was looking around my garage over here, and I don't have a beverage. I'm thirsty. I need a beverage, so I'll be right back. All right, we got a little young galunga here. Gotta have that label faced backwards, of course. But I only got one hand here to open this here twistaroo, but it's lucky that I did it off camera like it's some magic or something. Actually, that's going to get in the way over there. We're going to throw it that way, actually. And cheers, everyone. All right, now, any hoosers, I forgot one tool here you're going to need for this here task. It's going to be a pair of pliers in channel lock form, vice grip, whatever you prefer. I got here some channel lockaroos. So the front cover on this washing machine is amazing to get access to. You have a spring-loaded clip here and about here. So watch. Now, normally you'd pop them both. I got a little shambloozle where some damage incurred to the washing machine at one point in time, so I got to pop mine from the other side. But you just kind of stick the putty knife in here and push. Boop. You hear that little boop, a little sting. Look at that. Now we're going to go on over to the other side, right about there, and do the same maneuver. If I can get it. This side's a little tricky on mine. Oh, there it rocks. Now, it probably won't pop open like that. Mine, like I said, mine's warped, so it will. But pull that out of there. And the front panel is off, which is awesome because you can get so much stuff under here. Now, I may have installed my new water pump, but I have not fully installed it yet. So these little boltaroos up here are going to come in use. And these two guys right here are going to be a main topic. This goes on the outlet hose, which is right here. So when you get in here, I don't think it really matters at like which, you know, manner you do things. There's going to be 2 bolts here. I have those out. You're going to take those out. They're 3/8. A 10 might fit on them. Depends on how rusty the innards of your washer unit are. Like mine were pretty rusty. Anyway, you get those 2 out, and then the water pump's free. There's a positive, negative. Just don't forget the order, and you just pop those out, and then you get these squeezies. All right, easy to get off. I chose to go with regular clamps for replacement. This little guy is going to be on the exit. Now, this one's the one that goes to the back of the washer. What I recommend doing is disconnecting the black one here first. This is the one that goes to the agitator right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a shop vac ready and waiting. You're going to pop this thing off as you have your shop vac turned on with the air filter taken out, ready right here to suck water up. Suck any remaining water that's in here out. After you've done that, pull your 2 bolts out of here, and then the whole thing will come out easily. You slap your new one in there. I put some nice regular clamperoons on there, and you're done. That's it. And like right now, you can see, my washer unit here, it was not draining whatsoever before. Oh, look at that. Somebody had a beer for me. One more second. Anywho's Rooney. See how there's water in there? Now, that water wasn't coming out. We're going to flip around down here to the old drain cycle. Take our premium bypass tool. Pop that out. Watch this. Boom! You hear that? There goes the water level. Draining out as accordingly as it should. Look at it go. It's sucking her on down. So anyway, we'll let that rock. That's how you replace your water drain pump on many a GE model washer. Sorry, I don't know all the models, but see, look at it go. Look at it go. Beautiful. Anyway, y'all have a good night. Thank you.